Hello students, you all are familiar with the numbers. The numbers play a very important role in our day-to-day life. We use numbers to count, measure, compare and order things. So in this video, you are going to learn about an important maths concept. Chapter number 3, Numbers in Indian and International System. Before learning the Indian and international system, let us recall about some basic concepts. First one is unit, second number, third numeral and fourth is numeration. Okay student, what is unit? Here, unit means a single thing. Single thing means only one thing. Let us see example. For example, a girl. A girl means only one girl. A chalk, one chalk. A day means one day, etc. Now students, let us see what is number. The number written before the name of a unit, that means how many times the number is taken. For example, let us take 5 meter. Here 5 meter means here the unit of length is meter. What is given here? Unit of length is meter, which is taken 5 times. Second example, 7 liter. Unit of capacity here is liter and it is taken 7 times. The unit of here weight is kilogram and it is taken 32 times. What is numeral? Numeral is a symbol representing a given number. Whatever is the numeral is given, that only represent a given number. And numeration, it represents the given number in words. For example, the number here is 0 and so it represents in numeral the same number which is 0, and in numeration we write down in words 0, Z-E-R-O. Second example, numeral is 65. It represents same number here in numeral 65 and in numeration it is written as a 65. Third example is 245. The number is 245. So numeral represent the same number 245 and in numeration it is written in words 240. Okay students, let's solve the filling the blank. Okay, now in 20 kg, what is unit given here? Okay, come on children, what is unit here? The unit is kilogram. How much time it is taken? It is taken 20 times. So in 20 kg, the unit is kilogram. And how many times it is taken? 20 times. Second one, in number 257. What is numeral here? Numeral is, it represents the same given number. So what is your number? 257. So your numeral is 257. The next is numeration. What is numeration here? Numeration represents the number in words. So here we are going to write down in words 257. See, in the number 257, numeral is 257 and numeration we have written in words 250. To read and write large number in Indian system, the place value chart is as given below. Students, here we have to read the number, we have divided it into 4 periods such as ones, thousand, lakh and crores. And according to them, we name the periods, and to make simple, we put the commas after each period. Now, the first period is ones period. First 3-digit number, which is ones, tens and 100. The second period is thousand period. Thousand period is immediately the next 2-digit number, that is 1000 and 10,000. The third period is your lakh period. Next 2-digit number, lakh and 10 lakh. And the last period is crore periods. Then immediately the next 2-digit, which is crores and 10 crores. Crores and 10 crores. The chart given below. Now This chart is divided into 4 periods: ones period, thousand period, lakh period and crores period. Here the numbers are written according to place value chart. Now students, while reading the number, all the digit in the same period are read together. For example, here ones, tens, hundred, this we are going to read together. Thousand and 10,000, we are going to read it together. Lakh, 10 lakh, we are going to read it together. And we are going to name the period except the ones. Students, just remember few rules while writing the numeral. Now when we are going to write down the numerals, we don't have to put comma. Second rule, we don't have to use the word and before tens and ones, and we don't have to write the periods in plural. Here, to make it easy to read this number, we are going to use comma. Comma separates the group. For example, here we have written the first number and we have used here comma. Now it's become very easy to read. Now students, see here how we are going to read. We are going to read all the digits in the same period. Now students, here we have given comma. We have used the comma. So this is ones period, this is thousand period, this is lakh period and this is crore period. So how we are going to read? We are going to read it together. So 4 5 become 45, 45 crores. 1 2 become, it is in 12 lakh. It is in lakh, so we have read 12 lakh. 70, it is in thousand, so we read as a 70,000. And the last one is 3 4 5. When we read together, it becomes 345. We are not going to name the period here, so we have written here 45 crores, 12 lakh, 70,345. Let's take second one. Second one, we have written the number, we have placed the comma. So this 591 is ones period, 34 is thousand period, 07 is lakh period and 5 is crore period. So we are going to write down it as a 5 crores. 07 becomes 7 lakh, 34 34,000 and 591. Let us take third example. Third example, here the number is written, we have placed the comma and now see here 845 is ones period, 21 is thousand period and 6 is lakh period. So how we are going to write down? 6 lakh 21,845. But how, once again just read 6 lakh 21,845. Let's take fourth example. Here we have written the number, that number same we have placed the commas. See 210 is ones period, 5 is thousand period and 10 is lakh period. So how we are going to write down? 10 lakh 5,210. Let's come to the fifth example. We have written same number as it is, we have placed the comma. Now look here, this is ones period, thousand period, lakh period and crores period. Here lakh is given 0, so we are not going to read it. So from crores we are going to directly read 40. So how we are going to read it? As a 70 crores. See here 70 crores. Lakh is 0, so we have not taken. So we have taken here directly 40,000. And here last one is given 5. So how we are going to read this number? 70 crores 40,000 5. Okay students, now let us see what is international system. Now international system of numeration is widely followed in various parts of the world like USA and other countries like British, France and Australia. Again, to read and write large number, let us see the place value chart for international system. Now here again, this is divided into 3 parts: ones period, thousand period and million period. And again in the ones period, the first 3 digit number is taken, which is ones, tens and 100. The next is 1000 period. Immediately the next 3 digit, which is 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. And the next is million period. Immediately the next 3 digit number, which is million, 10 million and 100 million. Students, in this system also, while reading a numeral, all the digits in the same period are read together and the name of the period except the ones is read along with it. Let us see for example. For example, look at the following chart. Here again it is divided into 3 period, ones, thousand and million. These are the example. Let us take first example. Same number we have written as it is. We have placed the comma so that it become easy to read. Now see here we have taken 3 digit number, which is ones period. Then we have taken next 3 digit number, which is thousand period, and the remaining is our million period. So how we are going to read, students? Here 34 is which period? Million. So we are going to read it as a 34 million. Then next is thousand period. So we are going to read it as a 810,000. And the last one is 345. Let's see how we have written. 34,810,345. Students, see here. While writing the numeral, we have not used comma and we have not used and before tens and ones period, and all the periods we have written in plural. Okay, let us take another example. The numbers we have written as it is, we have placed the comma and it is divided into 3 period. This is ones period, thousand period, million period. So and we are going to read it together. So this is million period. So how we are going to write down this as a 100 million. 002 we read together, it become as a 2000, and 050 will read it as a 50. So what is our answer? 100 million 2050. Let's take an example. The number we have written as it is, we have placed the comma, we have divided into 3 periods. This is ones period, thousand period, lakh period, million period. Okay students, come on, just read this number. This is million period. So what we are going to write this as a 4 million. 050 when we read together it become 50. 50 is in which period? Thousand period. So we are going to read it as a 50,000. And 680 is ones place. So we are going to read it as a 680. So what is our answer? 4,050,680. Come on, let's take another example. Same numbers we have copied down. We have placed the comma. So this is ones period, thousand period, and the last one is million period. So we are going to read it together. 1 2 3 as a 123. Which period? Million. So we are going to write down 123 million. 7 8 9 together how we read? 789. It is in which period? Thousand period. So we are going to read it as a 789,000. And the last one is 456. We'll read together as a 456. So how we are going to read this number? 123,789,456. Come on, let's take last example. The number we have copied down as it is, we have placed the comma. Again it is divided into 3 periods. This is ones period, thousand period, 4 next period. So here 4 is million period, 500 is thousand period, 8 is ones period. So how we are going to write down it as a 4,500,008. 4,500,008. Let's start exercise 3. Question number 1. Write the following numeral using Indian system or international system as required in words. Now see the first one. First one is given. Here what we have to observe, children? We have to observe the comma. Now see here. If you see here the last 3 digit number, then comma, then after that it is given 2 digit number. the next is one digit number. Here as it is given two digit number, that means it is our Indian system. Okay, now if you see 342 is ones period, 35 is thousand period, and 4 is lakh period. So how we are going to write down this in words? 4 lakh 35,342. Come on student, just write down 4 lakh 35,342. Let's see the next question. Now again, what we are going to do? We are going to observe the comma. Here the last three digit is given, then comma, the next is given two digit number. As here two digit number is given, that means it is our Indian system. Okay, now 430 is ones period, 71 is thousand period, 36 is lakh period. So we are going to write down as a 36 lakh 71,430. Come on student, just write down. Okay, just see the third one. Come on student, just try to solve this by your own. Okay student, now just check. First what you have done? You have observed the comma. How it is placed? Okay, this 3-digit number, the next is 2-digit number, next is 2-digit number. That means which system it is? Here it is Indian system. Okay, now 004 is ones period, 30 is thousand period, 28 is lakh period, and 4 is crore period. So how we are going to write down? So children, what you have written here? 4 crores, 38 lakh, 30,000, and here 4. Just check. 4 crores, 28 lakh, 30,000, 4. Come on, let's see the next question. Okay. Now student, what we are going to observe? We are going to observe here commas. Okay, let's check. This is given 3-digit number here. Again here, if you see, the 3-digit number is given. So it is which system? It is international system. Okay, 684 is ones period, 132 is thousand period, 75 is millions period. So how we are going to write down this? 75 million 132,684. Come on, let's write down in words. 75 millions 132,684. Okay, just see the next one. Next one is given. Just observe the comma. Okay, here 3-digit number. The next is also 3-digit number. So 906 is ones period. 815 is thousand period. So how we are going to write down? 815. This is which period? Thousand. So directly we'll write down 815,906. Just write down. Okay, the next one is just observe comma. Okay, here is 3-digit number, here is 3-digit number. That means it is which system? International system. This is ones period, this is thousand period, this is million period. So how we are going to write down? 5 million. 420 means 420,000 and 700. So what is our answer? 5,420,700. Just write down. Okay, the next question is write the following numbers placing the commas according to Indian system. Okay, the first one is given. We have what we have done? We have placed the comma according to Indian system. We have taken first 3-digit number, then comma, then 2-digit number, and then last number, and we have written is as a 8,35,629. Come on students, let's solve the next one. So children, what we have done? We have placed the comma according to Indian system. We have taken here 3-digit number, comma, the next 2-digit number, comma, next 2-digit number, comma, and the last number. Okay, 254 is ones period, 40 is thousand period, 56 is lakh period, and the 3 is crores. So how we have written? 3 crores 56 lakh 40,000 and 254. Come on, so student, just write down the next. Write down this in words. This is ones period, thousand period and lakh period. So it is 28 lakh 26,040. Just write down. Next question. The next question is question number 3. Write the following numbers placing the comma according to international system. Now according to international system, how we place the comma, students? We place the comma after every 3-digit number. Now this number is given. Now we'll write down the same number and we will going to place the comma. So what we have done, 926 comma, then next 3 numbers. Okay, and now how we are going to read this? 629 is ones place, 835 is thousand period. So how we are going to write down? 835,629. Just look out. 835,629. Let's take another example. The second question is, this number is given, that we are going to write down again by using comma according to international system, and then we are going to write down in words. Okay, now we have written this number, we have placed the comma. Okay, 254 is ones period, 640 is thousand period and 35 is million period. So how we are going to read this as a together? 35 become 35 million, 64 is become your 640,000 and 254. Come on student, just write down 35 million 640,000 254. 35,640,254. Let's take third one. The number is given. Come on student, just write down this number according to international system. So according to international system, first what we are going to do? We are going to place the comma and then we are going to write down in words. Come on, just write down by your own. Okay, what we have done here, we have placed the commas. Now this we are going to write down in words. So this is ones, this is thousand and this is million. So what is our answer? 2,826,040. Come on, just write down the answer. Question number 4, filling the blank. Let's see the first one. First one is given here, 4,67,306. Okay, if you see student, here lakh is given, that means it is our Indian system. We are going to write down numeral and we are going to place according to Indian system. So what we'll do first, we'll write down this 4 lakh here, 67,306. Now same thing if you want to write down in international system. So what we are going to do? We are going to place the commas. Now how we are going to place comma? By using 3 digit. Okay, if you see here, this is 3-digit number. The next is also your 3-digit number. So what will come here? 467 comes in thousand period and 306 come in ones period. So how we are going to write down this as a 467,306. Let's see. This is given now international system. See here, 467,306. Now same thing, we are going to write down in numeral and we are going to place the comma according to international system. Now let's see question number 2. Question number 2 is given here, 13 lakh and 45. If you see here, 1000 is missing. So in place of 1000, what we have done? We have written here 0. 100 is missing. So we have written here 0. And the 45. Last one is 45. So 13 lakh and 45. This we have written in numeral form. Now when we want to write down in international form, what we are going to do? See here, 3-digit number, here 3-digit number, here. That means here we are having 3 period. Ones period, 1000 period and this is million period. So how we are going to write down 1,300,045. Just write down. And in international numeral we are going to write down according to international by using comma. Start with question number 5. Filling the blank. What is given first one? First one is given 604,847. Now here it is given 1000 and here it is given 100. 100 given here, that means it is 604, means it is 3-digit number. 3-digit number and mean 1000. That means this is given in international system. Now how we are going to write down in numeral form? 604. 604. 1000 means comma here and then 847. Just check. 604,847. Now this we are going to write down in international system. Now how we are going to write down international? Same thing. 3-digit number, then next 2-digit number and then last number. So this will be in ones period, this will be in thousand period and this will be in lakh period. So how we are going to write down? 6,04,847. Just check. 6,04,847. And now we are going to write down this in numeral form as a 6,04,000 means 04, 847 we are going to write down by placing comma according to Indian system. Now let's see question number 2. Now question number 2 is given 2 million. Okay, when we see here million, that means it is international system. Now how we are going to write down in numeral form here? 2 million. So we'll write down here 2 and then comma. The next is given 310,000. Okay, the next period is 1000 which is given 310. 310 means 310. And 104 is ones period. 104 means 104. So how we are going to write down? 2,310,104. Now as this is given in international system, so we are going to write down this in Indian system. 2,310,104. This we have written in numeral form. Now we are going to write down in Indian system. Now Indian system means 3-digit number, then next 2-digit number and next 2-digit number. That means this is ones place, this will be in thousand place and this will be in lakh. So we are going to write down 23,10,104. And finally we are going to write down in numeration. So numeration we'll write down same number, just we'll change the comma according to Indian system. 23,10,104. Okay student, whatever we have done exercise, write down in your notebook. Thank you.